Hey, thanks for joining me today on Bald Eagle Garage. We're gonna fix this prop on my boat. Got a little too close to some rocks, and just one little whack on a rock, and that's what did her. So we're gonna get a new prop, which I have right here, and I'm gonna show you how to replace it. We're gonna remove this cotter pin. Remove that cap. Okay, we're gonna get this nut off. This is a 27mm on my boat. I don't know what it is on yours. You gotta check yours though. So. Take off this bushing. Your prop should come right off like that. Something you should look at here are the numbers. This shows you the pitch and the size and diameter of this prop, and you want to keep the same size that you have on there, or if you're changing it, make sure you get an expert opinion so you don't get the wrong one, because that can change how your boat handles and the speed of it and all that jazz. So I ordered this online. I'll put a link down below for the one that I bought. And like I said before, you'll make sure your numbers will match whatever they are. Mine is a 3817469. Looks similar, so let's go put her on. And your spacer and the nut. My torque is 55 foot-pounds, so the best way to do that is to put a block of wood up in here like this. There you go. All done. Put your deal back on like that, and your cotter pin. There you go, you got yourself a new prop. So this prop here, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where I got it from, was actually Leaders RPM, and they had the best price. So do your due diligence and take your part number and go find it somewhere that's going to give you the best price. In this case, Leaders RPM gave me the best price. It is legit, it showed up, it's quality part. It's a Volvo marked box and part. Couldn't be happier with it. This is not a sponsorship. They did not pay me to say that. They did not give me a discount on anything. Just a satisfied customer. Alright, thanks guys. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Bald Eagle content. You never know what I'm going to fix next.